Right, on this video, I'm going to talk about aerial roots. These are the roots right here, like that, that's growing out above the ground. So I'm propagating these new dragon fruit plants, but only this one, the skinny one, have this fruit. So what is the purpose of this fruit? I know I read some articles that, oh yeah, you're not getting enough water, or it's like try to climb, right? So there's two functions. One, the roots is a foundation arm, kind of like an octopus gripping on to help it climb, or there's not enough water. So I basically water everybody the same, but they don't have roots. So some plants have more roots than others. So now I'm going to take you over here to see the other plants. So right here, this is my Princess of the Night. You see all the roots that's over there? There's a lot of roots, so this particular variety has a lot. And even up here, see, this is when the Princess of the Night overgrown over here, and now it has a root coming down here, and they don't have a lot over here. I guess if so here's my theory. I don't think it is because they need more water, and that's why these roots are coming out. If you look at this guy, it's very plump. In fact, it's so plump that it split itself. See the crack right there? It split itself up, so I know it's getting a lot of liquid. So I am pretty confident that these aerial roots is to help it climb. Okay, to add on to my theory, you see how this is? This is one of the branches that's growing out of the ground, and I use this stick to hold it up. The aerial roots try to grip onto it, I guess, but then it's so narrow it doesn't know how to grip, so it kind of stops as a thing. But you also, if you look at aerial roots, they don't grow on the outside of the post. All the roots are inside the post. See, so they're using the post to grip, and then see, they're all inside. They don't grow on the outside. If they really need water, they would be growing out on the outside. All right, let's walk over here. Now some plants don't even have it, or very little. This is my Zamorano, and they don't have any aerial roots. There's a little bit up there, but then that's very little, right, compared to the one I showed you earlier. And let me come over here, and here is my American Beauty. This is probably the best example of how aerial roots work. You see this root right here? I mean, this is coming from, it was part of the branch, but it comes like this. See, it's hugging the entire post, and it's like splitting out. It's to grip some more. So I'm pretty confident it's using it for grip and not for more moisture. And you look at this. I use this pole to kind of hold this dragon fruit up. This branch up, and it's on the pole side that it has the aerial roots, right? They don't grow it on the other side. See, they didn't have it on this side, they only have it on the pole side, so they're trying to grip onto the pole to help themselves climb. So I think that's the main purpose of the aerial roots. Now, roots are roots, right? So yesterday, I fertilized my plant with the Floronova, this one, the Grow, the 7410, and then I have a little spray bottle here. Since it is roots, it doesn't hurt to just give it a little spray of that same thing, like, right here, right? It doesn't hurt if it's if they're absorbing on the ground or above ground. So I'm just gonna give it a shot here. It's very diluted, so it's not that strong. I don't want to burn the roots here. So everywhere I see the little root, I'm just gonna give it a little spray. Let me see. Yeah. So to let them they don't have to go from the ground all the way up to the sky, right? Because they already have roots that's kind of midway. If you shoot a little bit, my theory is that these will absorb a little bit. I'm not gonna drown it, and then see how it goes, and see if it will absorb some of the nutrients that I've been giving on the ground. See, I know these roots, they look like they're dead. They're all dry and stuff, but I know they're still growing. So I'm just spraying a little bit here and there, and we'll see if it does anything. See if it will help the plant grow a little quicker. Yeah, so I'm just walking around all my plants, and you see this is my purple haze, and they have some aerial roots too. See, I'm trying to squeeze in between the gaps here with a little spray bottle. Yeah, and see if it works. So yesterday I already put this same fertilizer in the ground, in the soil. That's why it's kind of wet now. But now I'm just gonna spray it just to help it along a little bit, assuming that they are absorbing. If they don't absorb, that's okay. It's no waste, right? I'm not like investing my son's college tuition in this little spray bottle here. So if it's just a waste of a little bit of spray, it's no big deal. But you know, it's better than just to give it a try as opposed to. So this is my Halley's Comet and Dark Star. I'm not gonna, you know, try to whatever, since everybody's getting it. I'm gonna give it to my Vietnamese white too. My Vietnamese white is growing pretty big. And look at here, for some reason the American Beauties, they really grow this. It's like a bird's nest, right? You see it right down there? I mean, this is so much roots. I don't know, this one, it could be a combination of not enough water. That's why this one want to grow so much, or something. I'm just gonna give it a lot here on this one. Yeah, so I can't tell. So American Beauties have a lot. Oh, here's my Robles Red. You see all the roots that's coming down? See, again, they are on the side that's like trying to grip. Yeah, unless they're, you know, this one doesn't have any grips. No place to grip, that's why it's growing on this way. See, with a little spray like this, I can totally squeeze in between them. Yeah, I know. Remember, I'm not investing a lot in this, so even if it doesn't work or doesn't do anything, no big loss. See, here's another example. They try to grow on the stick side. See, it's trying to grip on this side. It doesn't grow on this side of the branch. It's on the inside, so it knows where it is, where the surfaces are, and that it's trying to grip. So I am assuming that it is still absorbing and functioning like a real root. So some of these here, yeah, I'm just gonna spray here, and there, and just a little. Oh, this one has a lot of spray. So that's also my American Beauty. See, American Beauty for some reason have more roots than all the other varieties. I don't know why. Maybe it just like to grow tall, and as opposed to the others. Yeah. So there, just a little bit. I can even spray it on the ground, right? Because this is just fertilizer that I've been using, so it doesn't matter. If I don't have to be so particular about just the roots, I can spray it on the ground. And the skin, I don't mind spraying on the skin. They're kind of like a little plasticky, so it's not gonna go inside the skin and then it's gonna damage the fruit or anything. I don't think it's gonna do that. It's kind of a plastic shield there. So this is another American Beauty. See the roots? There's a lot of aerial roots on the American Beauty. That is interesting, huh? Compared to my other varieties. See, you can tell like these are not American Beauties because they don't have roots, right? So interesting. It's on the variety. So that's it. I hope you like this video.